Hi, my name's Pugh-Roberts. I work for Marnian South East Limited.
So it's great to meet you. You're currently midway through the Discover Softwash course here in Ashford, Kent. So whereabouts are you based, and are you currently in the cleaning industry?
Yeah, we're based in Ramsgate in Kent. Yes, I am in the cleaning industry. I've been in it for about 3 years, mainly doing driveways, but like now I'm getting asked a lot about roofs.
Okay, and how did you hear about Softwash Systems?
Softwash Systems, I was looking through ideas and on YouTube, and that's where I see Darren, and then it all escalated from there.
Okay, so you're on your second day now.
Yeah.
How are you finding the course content so far? Is it meeting or exceeding your expectations?
I would say definitely exceeding. It's like there's a few bits, a little bit more than a few, that I could actually say that it's like when I go back to work Friday, I'll be changing a few things like that. Yeah, it's very, very interesting.
So have you found the classes coupled with the workbooks easy to follow?
Oh, yeah, well easy, yes.
Is there anything that stood out to you so far?
Stood out, it's like, well, to be honest, it's all stood out. It's like, because it's so interesting. It's like, you know, it's like, I want to take it to the next stage, and you know, for your applicator like ticket and everything. So yeah, it's like everything. It's like it's all good.
That's great. So, what are your first impressions of the Softwash Systems skid and all the equipment?
I've only got one word. It's like excellent, like that. It's like, because originally I only come on this course just for knowledge, like that. But since going out today, like practice on the roof, the element, just speed, it's like everything is so much quicker and easier. It's like, yeah, I think it's really good.
So I understand you've taken part in the practical spraying techniques class earlier. How did you find this class? Did you pick up any new techniques?
Yes, I have. It's like the speed and everything. It's like, say, like you're just doing a flat surface and everything, and the coverage is very quick, but we don't do roofs yet and everything, but we will be. And yeah, the technique of crossover, it's like that, it's like starting at the bottom and then like working your way down from the top. Yeah, it's like very interesting.
So do you feel that whereas you might have been slightly apprehensive about doing roofs, that now you feel much different?
Oh, it's like, yeah, it's like, well, I'll be practicing on my own roof first. I've got 2 friends that want their roofs doing. Actually, I think there's one more, so that'd be 4. I would definitely go down the roof line now. It's like that. I wouldn't have done without coming on this course though.
That's great to hear. How have you found the food provided so far?
Yeah, really good. It's like that. I didn't expect to, well, I didn't even think there was food there. I didn't read that or anything. So it's like, yeah, can't grumble at all. Left with a full belly.
Is there anything that you've not seen covered yet that you'd like to see covered?
Not at the moment. It's like everything's been thorough. So it's like, but it's like as like each half hour goes on, you seem to have learnt so much more, you know. And I do like the breakdown. It's like, you know, at the moment, just the breakdown on chemicals and everything. It's like, and you realise you've just been slightly out on your ratios, like that. It's like, so yeah, a lot's been learnt. That's why I'm saying, come Friday on the next job, it's like we've done totally different.
That's great to hear. So you're looking forward to the remaining classes then?
Yes, yeah.
So finally, what's your future plans? What do they look like now? Now you can incorporate soft washing into the line of work that you do.
It's just going to be easier, like that. I think it's like it's the way forward. Like that. I definitely do think it's the way forward. So when I leave this course and I've done the other like little 200 questions and everything, it's like I think I'll be participating in one of them soft washing machines.
Well, that's really good. Well, it's great to meet you. I wish you the best of luck with your soft washing journey.
Yeah, lovely, thank you.